Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
75-degree air temperature outside. The dew point now at 73. It feels really muggy because of those dew points in the 70s. We need to lower those dew points so the air feels a little more comfortable, and we're going to do that. It's just going to take a couple of days to get there. A little bit of cloud cover out there. No rain-producing cloud at the present time, but that will probably change as we head into the afternoon, get a little heating going on. And the amount of humidity in the air even increases maybe a little bit more thanks to that southerly wind that's behind a warm front, actually, that's lifting north across central Florida. 70 degrees, we'll go with by around 7 o'clock this morning. We'll have about a 20% chance of a passing sprinkle. That's about it, nothing heavier. And then as we head into the afternoon, our rain chances start to go up. Later in the afternoon, by 3 p.m., we're at 82 degrees. It'll be really muggy, I think, during the afternoon. And then that 30% chance lingers until about 7 o'clock with a temperature of 78 degrees. And it'll go up even higher than that as we head toward tomorrow morning. Tomorrow looks to be kind of a wet day. 71 degrees in Northport, 73 in Inglewood, 71 in Parrish. A wind coming up out of the south continues to pump in the moisture. An isolated sprinkle, not out of the question through noon today. And then as we head into the afternoon hours, a lot more cloud cover comes around, and the potential, I think, for a few thunderstorms as we head into tomorrow. I think our rain chances will start to go up significantly, and some of these rainstorms could be kind of heavy by after dark Tuesday night. So we'll watch the showers mostly to the north of us through the morning hours, but an occasional shower here locally. Everything's pretty quiet right now on radar. There's a frontal boundary kind of stretched right across north central Florida. If you look at the temperatures across the nation, the colder air remains locked to the north. Check it out. Chicago coming in at 31, Minneapolis at 24, St. Louis at 34. Chance of snow showers even in those locations. But to the south of that, in the deep south, it's not too bad. 60s, even some close to 70s in places. Certainly our temperature is in the 70s in Florida. Now, one of the things that is going to make a difference in the forecast is the dew point structure. Remember, dew point is how much moisture there is in the atmosphere. And look at the state of Florida. You can pretty much see we have some very dry air located just to the north, dew points in the 50s. That's comfortable. I'd like to see some of that 50 dew point down our way. But for most of central and south Florida, we have dew points in the sticky 70s. That's because there's that frontal boundary that's kind of draped right across North Florida, separating the dry, somewhat cooler air from the moist, humid air over us. And that's not going anywhere for a couple of days anyway. The front is a warm front located right along here with a low-pressure area back to our west. That warm front lifts north today. As it lifts north, we stay in that southerly air, the southerly air pushing the warm front north. Then tomorrow, after we've had that nice little fetch of southerly air bringing our moisture values way up and priming the pump for showers and thunderstorms, we'll get this cold front to move through here. And that cold front has the potential of triggering some showers and thunderstorms across Florida, across the sun coast, that could produce some significant rainfall totals. And that would be kind of nice to see, especially at this time of year when we don't get a lot of good rains. So hopefully we'll pick up maybe as much as an inch, maybe 2 of rainfall as we head into tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. It'll be humid today, sun-cloud mix, chance of rainfall at about 30% during daylight hours, and then rains, possibly a thunderstorm this afternoon. But then tomorrow, that's when the heavier rains will start, and most likely the chance for the heaviest of the rains will be in the second half of the day. That's the thought. Severe thunderstorm risk? No, we don't really have one with this frontal passage tomorrow. It looks like just standard thunderstorms. So the forecast looks like this. Beach and boating, not bad today. Those winds will be elevated tomorrow, though, as that front approaches south at about 10 knots. Light chop today. The forecast looks like this. Today, 40% chance of showers, especially later in the evening and then toward night. 82. And then tomorrow, I'll go ahead and call it a first alert weather day tomorrow, only because there could be some really heavy rainfall in the second half of the day. 70% chance of rain. And then that rainfall lingering into about dawn on Wednesday clears out pretty quickly, and Wednesday looks like it'll be a fairly decent day. Certainly Thursday, Friday, and Saturday all look pretty good. Sunday, perhaps a chance of another rain event.